and welcome to EE for Everyone. Today we're going to talk about why I'm here and what I'm doing. Put simply, I want to teach you about electronics and build a community of highly motivated individuals that enjoy building great things. I personally love building things. I spend hours upon hours building things that are new, challenging, or exciting. I remember the years not too long ago when I was trying to teach myself electronics, and I found a gap. There's the gap between programming Arduinos and using off-the-shelf building blocks to designing circuits and building PCBs. That's a difficult gap to cross because it sometimes involves an understanding of the physics behind how some circuits fundamentally operate. It also sometimes involves an understanding of how currents are flowing through the nodes of a circuit. When I was caught in this gap, I really struggled. I poured a lot of time into learning about circuits, with my dad as a mentor, when I had no idea what I was doing. Eventually, I was successful. Now, everyone has their own learning style, but mine is to learn by building. Until I can take the theory I learned in class and apply it to a circuit or simulation I built from scratch, I haven't truly learned it. During my time in university, even in my final year, the principles I learned in my parents' basement helped me to better understand the circuit fundamentals being taught to me in class. Having had this great experience, simply talking about it isn't enough. I want to be a source of information for you. I want to bring you along as we continue to build great projects and discuss my thoughts about the projects as we go. Hopefully, by hearing the thoughts I have about circuits and discussing some of what I learned about circuit components, we can grow together. I imagine that these projects will push me to learn as much as I will be able to teach you. Together, we will continue learning better ways to build great things. Now I've tasked myself with an impossible challenge: to explain circuit theory in enough detail to call myself a mentor, while being brief enough to not bore everyone away from the information I'm trying to present. I'll do the best that I can with the tools that I have, and I hope that you'll be patient with me as we try to work out the kinks. Mentoring in mass is new to me, and being trained as an engineer, communicating fluently isn't my strongest skill. However, the idea of changing someone's life and helping you to be successful by sharing some of what I've learned motivates me more than I could have ever imagined. This is not going to be perfect, I assure you. I will certainly misspeak, make mistakes, and be flat out wrong, eventually. I will probably bore you sometimes, dive too deep into theory sometimes, and speak in a voice that makes you wonder if I'm being disingenuous sometimes. I assure you that my passion is candid, and if you'll give me the time of day, I think this could turn into something really great. My first project I want to share with you is a great project I have a lot of fun creating, and that's the Plant Light project. We're going to dive into the design of this light. It's designed to help plants grow with more consistent daily light doses in places where the amount of light varies significantly throughout the year. There's a lot going on in this project. It represents a few firsts for me. It represents the first time using the EDA tool I did, my first time ordering boards from a company that accepts Gerbers for a personal project. It'll be my first time attempting to explain a switch mode power supply from start to finish. It should be a great time, and I look forward to sharing the story behind this project with you. I hope that you stick around for the coming videos where we'll discuss a few key elements of circuit theory to set the stage for my videos series surrounding this Plant Light project. I think it'll go pretty well, seeing as I've already built and tested one. No worries though, I'll discuss my mistakes and lesson learned with you, doing my best to explain what I'm doing every step of the way. If you have any questions or would like me to follow up in more depth about any topic I touch in a video, let me know in the comments. I'll try to address your questions and start a conversation that will open the floor for some productive collaboration. The more people start sharing their experiences, the more we can stand to learn together. I'm really excited about this, and I hope to see you again soon.